Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
This question here, a large container in a depot contains 153 liters and 672 milliliters of milk. Each of 7 workers added 4 liters 526 milliliters of milk to the container. What is the amount of milk in the container now? We have 7 workers adding 4 liters 526 milliliters of milk. That means 4.526 liters of milk is added by each. Therefore, total milk added will be equal to 7 multiplied by 4.526 liters. So that will be, let's see, 7 6 are 42. 4 is carried. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is 18. 1 is carried. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 is 36. 3 is carried. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is 31. So 31.628 liters is added by all the workers together. Therefore, the container already has 153 liters and 672 milliliters of milk. 31 liters and 682 milliliters of milk is added to it. Therefore, total milk in container will be 153 liters 672 milliliters plus 31 liters 682 milliliters. So let's add this. Milliliters will be added to milliliters. So 2 plus 2 4, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1354 milliliters and 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 3 8, 1, 184 liters. But if we observe, but we know that 1000 ml make 1 liter, and if we observe addition of milliliter part, it has exceeded the 1000 mark. So this can be written as 184 liters plus 1 liters plus 354 milliliters. So this is equal to 185 liters and 354 milliliters. So answer is total milk is equal to 185 liters 354 milliliters. Answer is option A.